In the first example we saw regarding weld, we used three different objects. In this case, we're going to look specifically at a single text object. So when I type it out using just the standard black text, and I have a script font like this, everything seems normal. But when I apply an outline to that object, as I've done down here, you can see where the characters overlap. That may not be a problem if you are going to have a solid color like this and all you're going to do is print it. But for the folks who are doing vinyl cutting or CNC routing or engraving or something where these overlaps would show up, we've got a problem. And that's where weld can come into play. The only problem is if I select just a single object, you'll notice the buttons I need are not on the property bar. So what you might want to do is use the customization options to go ahead and create a shortcut key for weld. And we'll talk more about customization later in the book. But for the time being, let's go to the Arrange menu. We're going to choose Shaping and Weld. And as we do that, you'll notice even though only that single object was selected, all those overlaps are now gone. The key here is the text is no longer text, and it is therefore not editable. So before you do this to a piece of text, make absolutely sure you have it looking exactly the way you want, and then go ahead and use that weld to get rid of the overlaps.